Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert horizontal bullet point in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu, go to the table, and now I am insert 3 tables side by side. Now I am write something on the table. Now I am select the text table, increase the size. Then again select table, go to the bullet list menu and click the bullet list. You can see insert horizontally bullet point. Now I am select the table border. Press shift on your keyboard and select the table border. Then go to the border color of drop down menu and choose white color. Now here we can see insert horizontally bullet point in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.